kids, it's Mrs. Hoffman here. I'm going to help you to make paper beads and a paper bead bracelet today. First thing you're going to need is a little help from a bigger person to make a skinny triangle from some sort of thin cardboard like a tissue box or a cereal box. So you're going to need the bottom part of the triangle to be about 2 fingers wide, and then you want the triangle to be a little bit longer than your hand. So if you'll have somebody help you do that, then come on back. Hey, welcome back. You should have your triangle that's long and skinny. You're gonna also need some colored paper or old magazine pages. You're gonna need a pencil and you're gonna need some glue. And we're going to put our side edge of our triangle along the edge of the paper. Then we're going to take our pencil and we're going to draw along the edge of the triangle onto the paper. You can flip your triangle around and line it up along the edge of your triangle again so that you can keep making triangles. Now it's time to cut out. Remember, always point your scissors away from you, and as you cut, keep your fingers clear. Now that we have our skinny triangle, we're going to put the point facing away from us, and at the wide end closest to us, we're going to put our pencil about a finger or two away from the end. We're going to take our glue and we're going to put glue along the middle of our paper. Not too much if you're using the liquid glue, and good bit if you're using glue stick. We're going to fold our paper over the pencil, and then we're going to tuck it under and give it a little roll. Make sure that it's going to stay, and then we can start to pinch and walk our paper around the pencil. Make sure that you're pinching as you do this, and if your paper starts to slide one way or the other, just pause, straighten it out, and press. Make sure you're pinching and pressing as you go. If you're using liquid glue, it might start to squish out the sides. Just rub it on. It's going to make your bead even stronger. When we get to the tip, we've got to put a little bit more glue on the end so that it's going to stay down. We're going to walk it around the pencil and just make sure that we get that end smoothed down really well. If you're using glue stick, you might have to use a little bit extra here. And now we're going to hold it down and pinch for a count of 5. So we're going to count down from 5. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Now we can twist and pull our bead off of the pencil, and we have a bead that we can let dry and use very soon. So go make some beads and come on back. Hey, welcome back. You should have several beads now. I chose to make 2 of 3 different colors, so that gives me a total of 6. And I'm going to use a pipe cleaner, but you can use a pipe cleaner or a string, whichever you have. If you're using pipe cleaner, 1 should be big enough to get around your wrist, and 2, if you're going to put it around your neck as a necklace. We're going to, at one end, make an L shape, and if you're using a string, you're going to tape it to the plate or the table real gently. This is so our beads don't fall off as we're putting the others on. Now I'm going to take 1 bead, put the other end of the pipe cleaner through that bead, and then drag my bead down to that L shape. I'm going to keep putting beads on in whichever order I would like, or if you'd like to make a pattern which repeats colors, then you can do that. And I am going to, since I made 2 of each color, I'm going to have purple, blue, pink. Then I'm gonna start repeating that. So my next one would be, what do you think? Purple is correct. Purple goes on next since that's the one I started with. Then after purple would be blue is correct. And I'm going to slide that on next to it, which means our last one should be another, if you said pink, you're correct. We're gonna slide that one on there, and I have filled up my pipe cleaner and used all my beads. So I am going to close this up now. I'm going to straighten out my ends again, and if I have a pipe cleaner, I'm going to twist them together. If it's a string, you can help someone bigger than you, have them help you to tie it together. So I'm going to cross over my pipe cleaner ends and twist one end around, making sure that I tuck the end down so it stays flat. And then the other end is going to get twisted around, tucking that in as well. I can cover those up with beads, and my bracelet is ready to wear. I can go ahead and put it on or give it to someone I am very fond of. And I hope that you enjoy this and enjoy creating.